Basic prayers for everyday life. Sanatana Dharma urges everybody to remember the divine even in the smallest of ways. We believe that if we can remember the divine every day, it enables us to remain strong mentally and be resilient when times of strife and difficulty come upon us. To help us, the ancients have made everything around us as divine. As the day becomes night, we remember the divine through these short prayers. Each of these prayers also have a symbolic purpose behind it. When we wake up in the morning, our elders have taught us to rub our hands and cup our eyes. This increases the circulation in our limbs, which have been static through the night. Cupping our eyes and opening them with the protection of our hands ensures that we are not blinded by the brightness of the day after hours of darkness. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule tu Govindah, Prabhate Karadarshanam. In the top of my palms resides Lakshmi. In the center resides Ma Saraswati. In the base of my palms are Govinda. I take your darshan first thing in the morning. Symbolically, Bhagavan Govinda guides our actions, and with the help of wealth, that is Ma Lakshmi, and knowledge, who is Ma Saraswati, let our actions always be for the good. When we get up from bed, before we set our foot on the floor, we pray to Mother Earth. Samudravasane Devi Parvatasthana Mandale Vishnupatni Namastubhyam Padasparsham Kshamaswame. The one who has the ocean as her clothes and the mountains as her chest. To the wife of Bhagwan Vishnu, please forgive me as I set my feet on you. When we wake up from our bed, we need to sit upright for a minute for the energies to align themselves, for the grogginess to leave us so that we can be alert. And when we place our feet on the floor, we ground ourselves. It also helps to normalize our blood pressure, which has dropped while we were sleeping. The act of praying gives us this time, and remembering the Divine Mother Earth, who is the epitome of forgiveness, we need to remember to forgive our hurts and let go of the past. This enables us to heal. When we have a bath, we invoke the sacred rivers so that they can purify us. Gange cha yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru. We invoke our sacred rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Saraswati, Narmada, Sindhu and Kaveri, who have the power to remove sins and negativity from us. By doing this, we purify our body and mind before we start our day. After bath, when we sit down to study or go to work, we take the blessings of Ganeshji and Ma Saraswati. We pray to Ganeshji so that any obstacles in our path can be removed. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. O Bhagwan, with a curved trunk, with a broad body, and with a brilliance equal to that of 1,000,000 suns, please remove all obstacles and make my undertakings free of hindrances at all times. Praying to Ma Saraswati and taking her blessings instills a sense of humility in us, which enables us to learn through the day. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Salutations to you, O Saraswati, granter of blessings and of all wishes. I am starting my studies. May there be fulfillment for me forever. Before we have our lunch, we invoke the fire who is within us as Vaishvanara to help us to digest the 4 different kinds of food, those that are masticated, drunk, licked or sucked. Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamashritah Pranapana Samayuktah Pacham Yannam Chaturvidham. As the fire of life, I am in the body of all creatures, and united with the upward and downward breath, I digest the 4 kinds of food. In the evening, when darkness falls, we light lamps to dispel the darkness. It is symbolic of how knowledge lights up our lives by dispelling the darkness of ignorance. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada shatrubuddhi vinashaya deepajyotir namostute दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते. That which brings auspiciousness, health, and prosperity, which destroys unfriendly feelings, salutations to that light of the lamp. The light of the lamp represents the Supreme Brahman and Janardana, who is none other than Sri Vishnu. Let the light remove my sins. Salutations to the light of the lamp. Before going to bed, we seek forgiveness for any mistakes that we have committed knowingly or unknowingly, with the hope that we don't repeat those mistakes and that we have learned from them. We learn to reflect upon our day and remember what can be better. And remembering Bhagwan before going to bed also ensures a calm and sattvic state of mind so that we get good and deep restorative sleep. Karacharanam kritam va कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वा पराधं विहितमविहितं वा सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व जय जय करुणाब्दे श्री महादेव शंभो. O compassionate Mahadeva, O Shambhu, victory to you. Please do forgive all the errors committed by me with these hands, legs, speech, body, through actions, through the ears, eyes, mind, or by not doing ordained actions or by doing prohibited actions. Please forgive me. And with this, we end our day. Hari Om.